Hello friends, welcome to BITA Academy. Let's discuss about bitwise operator in Python. What is bitwise operator? Bitwise operator is converting an integer value to binary format. So if you want to perform any operation, we need to convert integer value by bit. Okay, so hence we are telling this is a bitwise operator. Bitwise operator only work with an integer value rather than any float or a complex value. Okay, so finally, what is the result of this bitwise operation means? This is a decimal format. So this bitwise operator, we have some different types of operator. What are the types? Bitwise and bitwise or. So for and, we are using this ampersand sign, or we are using a pipeline. Bitwise XOR, we have to use the cap. Next, shifting operator. Shift left, so lesser than, shift right, greater than, and negation, this tail sign. So these are all the different types of operator. And this bitwise operator, we can tell also binary operators. And this and or XOR, this operator depends upon the truth table value. First, we will discuss about what is an AND operator. So this is the truth table value for AND operator. So this AND operator is like a multiplication of true values. Okay. So if you are trying to multiply 0 with any value, it becomes 0 only. Okay. So 0 into 1 is 0. Again, 1 into 0 is 0. 0 into 0, it becomes 0. So when you are getting both bit as 1, then only you will get a result as 1. So we will see with an example how we are getting this result. So we have a statement. So 5 and so for 5 and 4 we are using. So we're getting the result as 4. So what we are changing the value means we need to change to a binary format. So we need to convert to 2 to the power of 0, 2 to the power of 1 like that. So this is the bitwise representation. So for 5, what are the values? If you add, you will get a value as 5. So if I add 4 and 1, I'll get an answer as 5. For that alone, we will keep the value as 1. Remaining every part, it becomes 0. Okay. So finally, what we need to do, we are doing the AND operation. So what is the result we are getting? For this operation only, we will get a result as 1. Other than that, everything becomes 0. 0. So what is our result? It is direct to your value as 4. So that is what we are getting a result as 4. So it depends upon the truth table value. So this is called your AND operator. So what is bitwise OR operator? Depends upon the truth table value only. So if both bits are 0, for that only we will get a result as 0. Other than that, all bits are will get a result as 1. We'll see with an example. The same 5 and 4 we are taking. So 5, pipeline 4. So our result is 5. So this is for your and next we are going to do for OR. So OR means at least one bit should be 1, right? So here both bits are 0, it becomes 0. 1 plus 1, so here it is 1. 0 plus 0, it is 0. 1 plus 0, it is 1. So now we are getting result for 1 and 1. So 4 and this is 1. So 4 plus 1, you are getting a result as 5. So this is your OR operator. Similar to your AND and OR operator, this XOR operator also depends upon your truth table values only. So this XOR operator contains if both bits are same, then your result will be 0. If both bits are different, then your result will be 1. Okay. So 0 and 0, we are getting result as 0. 1 and 1, we are getting result as 0. So if both bits are different, our result is 1. Okay. We'll see with an example how it is going to work. We are taking the same example, print off 5, that cap sign, and 4. So what is the result we are getting? Which is 1. So if both bits are same, we are getting a result as 0, 0, here also 0. So different bits only, our result is 1. So this is our final answer. So this is your XOR operator. Okay. I hope all of you understand what is binary AND or XOR. So in upcoming video, we will discuss remaining bitwise operator. Thank you guys.